Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing the freezing hands challenge, which is where you take a bowl of ice and you put your hands in there until they get really cold, and then you see the difference between when you had freezing hands and non-freezing hands. So I'm going to try it out, and so I'm going to put my hands in the ice, okay? So I just took my hands out of the bowl and they're really cold. So I'm gonna mix it up. Oh, this hurts so bad. I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna get into a solve. Oh my god, I can barely feel my hands. Okay. I'm gonna inspect it and then I'm gonna start. Oh my god, this hurts really bad. But I thought it would be fun, but it hurts. But I'm still gonna do it because I pretty much can't go back now. And so this really hurts. And it's like my hands are so stiff. It's weird. I can like barely like feel the tips of my fingers, and it's so much weirder than like solving it regular because I don't know, it just hurts. And okay, I just finished, so sorry if I was talking too much. But yeah, though that was the freezing hands challenge. So see you in the next video. Bye.